Hello everyone, warm welcome back. I'm super excited for today's video because we are going to dive right into the exciting world of gardening preparations for the year 2024. Yes, gardening season is about to begin and I'm here to drop all of the juicy tips in simple, easy to follow steps so that we can have a truly remarkable gardening experience this year. Let's dig right in. Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I hope you had an exciting start to 2024. I hope everything is going well. Now is the perfect time to start talking about what we want for our gardens this year, 2024. My name is Yaje and I've been growing a garden in this space in my backyard in Houston, Texas for the past 25 years. I've been documenting my experiences here on this channel, and I just like to empower others to grow a garden because I truly believe that when you grow a garden, you grow health. So if you're new to the channel, you are welcome. Okay, so my people, I will share the tips with you in 3 steps. So they are all important. Do not skip on any one of them. So step number 1, just do what I'm doing. I'm kidding. Step number 1 is that we are going to assess our supplies. That means we will make an inventory of what we already have. Go through that storage space, wherever that be, whether it's outside or in your garage. Check on the tools that you already have. Make sure they are not broken. They are in good working conditions. We are also going to check on containers. If you're doing container gardening, check on your containers. I like to use grow bags. Make sure that they're all in good order. And then check on your seeds too. Sometimes you think you have seeds, but they have expired, and expired seeds do not germinate. Make sure that those seeds will germinate. They are still good. They are viable. And then we're also going to check on our soil. Out here in the diaspora, sometimes we have to buy soil. We have to build our soil either with compost or manure, or buy back soils from the garden supply store. You know what I'm talking about. Make sure you do an inventory of all of those things so that you are not spending money on what you already have. As you do that inventory, take notes. Take notes of what needs replenishing, what you already have. This will ensure that you are very well equipped for the upcoming growing season. All right, my people, now that we've made that assessment of what needs replenishing, step number 2 is going to be that we create a shopping list for the things that we need to buy. Create a shopping list before you go on Amazon or you go to any one of these stores. Having that shopping list will save you money. Why? Because you will not buy what you don't need, and it will just help to streamline that process. So create that shopping list before you go shopping. You're very welcome. Before I share with you the last tip, let me take this moment to just say thank you all for the love and the support. Please let me know where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Lorena WQ3VM, who is a new subscriber from Tampa, Florida. Thank you so much at Lorena WQ3VM. My people, that is me putting together my seed starting supplies to start my seeds for 2024, which brings us into step number 3. For step number 3, have a seed starting strategy. To get an early start on spring, plan to begin starting your seeds either indoors or in a greenhouse. Please consider starting this process either in January or February or March, depending on your local climate. For most of us growing vegetables out here in the diaspora where we have winter, this approach gives our plants a head start and leads to a flourishing garden. I plan to start my pepper seeds very soon. So if you're interested in learning how to start peppers, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on an upcoming video. All right, that's me doing my crazy dance tribe. I'm dancing only because I want to beg. I want to beg you guys to drop a comment with your plans, your goals for 2024. I'm talking about your gardening plans and goals. Let's create a community of inspired gardeners supporting one another throughout the year. If this video was useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you go. Please, please, please. Wishing you all a fantastic year of bountiful harvests and beautiful blooms. Until next time, grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Bye, everyone.